Night makes the city honest. The noise fades, the lights stay. If you listen close, you can hear your own heartbeat again. I want you to know something simple. You're allowed to disappear and rebuild. Maybe you've been pouring into everyone else's cup until yours went dry. Maybe the smile you show the world is tired, heavy, and nobody noticed how much it cost you to wear it. That's all right. Growth doesn't always happen under bright lights. Sometimes it happens on rooftops at midnight where the wind is cold and the truth is warm. You don't owe your process to the public. Not everybody deserves access to your rebuilding season. Boundaries aren't walls. They're doors with locks that you control. You are allowed to step away quietly. You're allowed to sit with the version of you that's been screaming to be heard, to cut the noise, the endless scroll, the constant proving, to trade performance for presence, to let some dreams rest and let new ones rise. I had to learn this the hard way. I kept showing up for rooms that didn't see me, chasing validation that never hugged me back. And then one night, no crowd, no cameras, just rain and concrete. I chose silence over spectacle. I didn't announce it. I didn't explain. I just disappeared into the work. Here's what I found there. In quiet, your voice gets louder. In stillness, your next step gets clearer. In solitude, your standards start speaking. You are allowed to heal privately, to let old wounds close without reopening them for applause, to forgive yourself for carrying what you didn't know how to put down, to love the soft parts of you without asking the internet for permission. Rebuilding is not pretty. It's early mornings no one claps for. It's late nights where doubt sits on the edge of your bed and you teach it how to leave. It's unlearning the voice that told you small is safe and teaching yourself that aligned is safer. You are allowed to reinvent yourself without a press release, without a slideshow of proof, without answering texts that only want the old you back. And when you return, because you will return with receipts that only you need to see, peace where panic used to live, standards where settling used to hide, discipline where distraction used to dance. Listen, some people will say you changed. Smile, because evolution always looks like betrayal to the version of you that refused to grow. So if you needed a sign, here it is. Disappear, rebuild, heal in private, come back stronger. Take the walk alone tonight if you have to. Let the city witness your decision. Let the rain wash off the stories that no longer fit. Breathe. You're not running away. You're walking toward. And when the world asks where you went, tell them gently, I went to meet the person I'm becoming. They were worth the trip. If you're rebuilding in silence, comment rebuilding below and subscribe to It Is In You TV for more cinematic motivation.